Click here, buy now, start today. This video is all about call to action. I'm Eva, and today I'm going to talk to you about why you need a call to action, where's the best place to use it, and how to write it effectively so that people can do what you want them to. Let's get started. So first, what is a call to action and why is it important? Call to action, or CTA, is a piece of content used in marketing materials to direct prospects towards a specific action. It's usually placed at the end and can take many forms depending on the medium. It can be a button, a banner on a page, a piece of written text, or communicated verbally in a video or a podcast. It's important to have a CTA that clearly shows your readers and viewers what's the next step they need to take. Think of the call to action as a tool that guides your prospects from one step of your marketing funnel to the next, so that they can become your clients. CTAs can be separated into types according to their goal, and the goal depends on where your prospects are in the marketing funnel. For example, if your potential clients are still in the awareness phase, you need to move them down to the consideration phase. Then it's a good idea to use a CTA like get a free demo or sign up for our newsletter or check out our reviews. On the other hand, if your goal is to close a sale, then your call to action can sound something like start saving money today or get your product now. CTAs might be short, but that doesn't mean they're easy to write. So here are some tips on how to craft an effective call to action. Tip number 1, make it custom. Some cases, companies try to entice people with a generic buy now or visit our website. These are fine, but those are general calls to action that can fit any topic and brand. But if you want your call to action to be really effective, you have to craft it in a way that speaks to your target audience and is in unison with your brand voice. Consider your ideal customer's motivation and desire. What is it that made them check out your ad in the first place? Think of their pain points and use them when crafting your CTA. Maybe you're selling mattresses, so you could say, order your mattress now. But wouldn't it sound better if your call to action reads something like, click to get the sleep of your dreams? Or maybe you have an animal shelter and you need to ask for donations. Why not place a strong CTA like, speak for the voiceless, donate now? Tip number 2, make it urgent. Trigger your prospect's fear of missing out by creating a sense of urgency in your call to action. You can do that by adding words like now and today, or phrases like don't miss out or before it's too late. Just be careful not to go overboard with the pushy language, or you might risk sounding desperate rather than confident. Tip number 3, make it easy. The fastest way to lose a sale is to make the sales process too complicated. So eliminate any additional steps and make it easy. Add a clickable link or a button that lands people exactly where you want them. If you want them to subscribe, ask for their email only and no other personal information, as this might scare them. Remember that the easier the action, the more people will be willing to do it. In the end, remember that your CTA, just like your overall marketing efforts, need to speak directly to your target audience and guide them through their buying journey. So if you wish to learn more about the type of content you can create for each step of the marketing funnel, check out the link below. If you've liked this video, give us a like and subscribe for more video marketing guides and tips. Thank you for watching.